licenses po ng mga ano namin, AutoCAD, mga ano po program po sa ano na ginagamit ng aming Historic Preservation Division.
Okay. All right. And then there may mga COA report findings. Just submit to us na lang yung kagaya ng sa NCCA kung ilan yung COA findings, ilan yung complied na, ilan hindi pa complied,
Sige po.
and then what's the timeline to comply it, no? So
Sige
that hindi siya nakabitin sa libro.
Opo.
But there's one notable item here, yung advance payment amounting to 3.5 million pesos to various contractors
Opo.
na hindi pa raw na, I guess the same, no? Hindi pa nababalik.
Hindi po. Ang iba po yung isa lang po yung kaso na hindi pa naibabalik sa amin na napasulatan na po namin, that is the 156,000 na hindi na overlook po ng accountant to deduct, pero po nasulatan na rin po namin yung aming JS Lim Construction po yon, so na-inform na po sila. Yun naman pong ibang findings naman po dito, kami naman po ang hindi nagbabalik dun sa mga contractors, so we are now consolidating those na unreturned retention fee. Yun po yun naman. Kami naman po ang...
For this one, itong advance payment amounting to 3.4, what is the nature of this?
We'll check po, pero sabi ko nga po, one of which is the 156 mil. Alam ko na po. This is part of the, yung
Termination of the contract.
rescinded contract po.
Yes,
Doon po sa Nagcarlan, Laguna. Kaya lamang po ito po. Meron pa po sila sa amin na hindi nakukuhang retention fee, which we can, deduct from there. Kaya po, masisettle din po.
Natuloy yung project?
Natutuloy po ngayon. Kasi po
Okay.
nag-conduct po kami ng rebidding. We rescinded the contract of the original contractor, and then yun po, we conducted the bidding and it's now ongoing.
Okay.
Hopefully to
But
be
why do you need to recoup the advance payments?
na-advance po namin yan doon sa original contractor.
Okay.
And then we rescinded the contract. Hindi pa po sila
Bakit
nakakasil.
na-rescind yung contract?
Hindi po sila maganda for performance.
For performance, okay. And then you have to recoup that.
Yes, we have to recoup. Luckily, meron pa po silang mga collectibles sa amin na pwede naman po namin ma-deduct. Yun po.
Okay. Pero original contractor yun, di ba?
Original contractor po.
Oo.
Pero
Wala siyang ginawa at all?
meron naman po, binawas na po
So
namin.
nagbawas-bawas na lang kayo.
Opo.
Okay, yeah. Pa-close na natin yun so that,
Yes.
kasi nababasa sa, nababasa sa COA report
As,
na sinasubmit dito. And then there's also another notable item, yung inconsistent contractor performance evaluation
yun,
and unutilized project assets. And then this was compounded by 12.6 million worth of laboratory equipment purchased in 2018.
hindi po.
The address na ito. What's the nature of this?
By Sue.
During the Bohol, Cebu, earthquake, we restore structures and we also capacitate yung mga local people to do restoration works. So we bought laboratory equipment. Hindi kagad na transfer sa kanila, nabili pero hindi kagad na bigay sa kanila dahil wala pa silang structure na paglalagyan, hindi pa tapos. Nagka-problema sila sa bidding po. So nung tapos na po yung structure, nabigay na rin po sa kanila po yung mga equipment na yan. So, ginagamit na po nila ngayon yung mga yan.
Kailan nabigay, ED?
Last year or this year? Last year.
Pero nabili 2018.
Yes.
After
After
6 years, saka nabigay.
Opo.
Pero yung equipment okay pa?
Opo.
Ginagamit pa?
Ginagamit nila ngayon sa Bohol Island State University by Suyas.
Okay. Kasi doon nag-restore ng mga churches Diba after the earthquake? I was there after the earthquake. Halos lahat nasira No? So this equipment is para doon sa mga restored churches.
Yes po, at saka yung para gamitin din po ng mga estudyante para dun sa kanilang, yung hindi lang sa mga churches na yun, sa mga restoration works.
Okay.
Dun sa
And then
province.
meron pang isa yung nag-terminate ng 18.29 because of the inconsistent NEDA approved guidelines.
Sir, yun na po yung sinasabi ko na we terminated the contract. Sa Nagcarlan po
okay.
yan, Nagcarlan Underground Cemetery, 2023 pa po kasi supposed to be yung contract na yon, pero hindi po tinatagpos ng contractor. And finally, nag-decide po ang management to just rescind the project and have it awarded to other contractors
The
who
contract is worth 18.29,
more or less
more or less. Okay.
unfinished po na ano.
Okay. So, tinerminate nyo na, pinapabalik nyo yung advance amount.
Yes, opo. Yun po yung findings ng COA sa amin na
Bayad ba sila
na-terminate siya.
to return the amount?
Eh, may mga collectibles pa po sila sa amin. So, kung
Mag-offset lang.
i-offset na lang po na.
Okay. Alright. When do you, kailan kayo matatapos?
Nasa amin naman po yung record. I-ano na lang po ng yung po project.
I mean, yung offsetting.
Within the year po siguro we
Within
will
the year.
settle.
Okay.
Yes.
Kasi matagal-tagal na rin to, Right. So, yeah, just submit to us yung report ng COA and then ano yung mga chairman, ano yung mga ginagawa para to fulfill yung mga recommendations nila para at least matanggal na sa libro nyo na itong.
Opo.
Alright. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Excuse me, before we continue, may we greet Jeremy Barnes. 15th birthday niya ngayon.
Oh, wow. Happy birthday. Wow.
Okay.
Thanks.
You're working. You scheduled the hearing of National Museum on the birthday. Jeremy.
Hindi ko naman, mga DepEd attached agencies.
Yes,
ma'am.
yes.
All the
Okay.
DepEd
They're
attached.
waiting actually 2 o'clock kayo, no? So with 15 minutes for the other agencies, we thank the NHCP.
Salamat
po kayo.
Salamat po.
Bibili natin yung lupa ni Rizal.
Sige po.
Sa bahay ni Rizal. Pero babaan pa ng national, ng PNB.
Sige po.
Oo. Sige. National Library na. Kailangan nilang ayusin yung entrada nyo kasi may mga leaks dun. Mura lang naman at saka dapat yung contractor nyo maayos. Tignan nyo yung listahan ng 15. Make sure wag yun ang kukunin nyo. Yung Bisaya. Yung kung sino yung sa CCP, kung pabid nyo yun, kung okay sa kanila, siguro okay din sa inyo. Para maaliwalas yung entrada nyo. Imbitahin nyo si Senator Gatchalian. Ang ganda. Yung, anong tawag doon sa gallery yung pinuntahan ko sa...
Permanent Gallery.
The permanent
Treasures of the
gallery.
National Library of
The
the Philippines.
treasures of the... Puro kasaysayan natin. Galing.
Okay.
Oo.
Okay. Madam Chair, thank you for the opportunity to present the budget proposal of the National Library of the Philippines. And I want to start with the first slide. Thank you. I'm just very sad, Madam Chair, that the Chair of Finance can't hear our wish list. Okay. Senator Sherwin, wait for my wish list.
Alam siguro niya marami kayo hihingin kaya umalis na ako na lang in charge.
Maliit nga lang yung kinancel na ng NHCP, salo na lahat yung sa amin.
Ganito.
It's only 40 million pesos.
O granted.
Thank you.
Tapos,
That's it.
dalin mo na sa wish list na wag na yung inyong performance. Alam ko
Okay.
na yung performance.
Yes, ma'am.
Ganun. Sige.
Okay, I just want to state, Madam Chair, that for the 2024 budget ng Bayan Monitor Agency Performance Review, we were rated very satisfactory by the DBM, and we were #1 among all the cultural agencies. Okay? So we go to the wish list. So sa COA findings, Madam Chair, we don't have any big issues here. Actually, the auditor rendered an unmodified opinion for the National Library for 2024. Okay, magsumbong lang ako, Madam Chair. We propose, our original proposal was 313,236,000, and we were given at the net level of 264,047,000. So that is 49,189,000. Actually, we don't have a major wish list. We just want our original proposal to be restored, Madam Chair.
The difference is 40, you said?
49 million.
What is the breakdown of the 40,
Okay.
please?
First, the development of conservation laboratory, the one I presented to you, Madam Chair, we are ready now to develop that area because we already finished the gallery, the children's library, and now we are ready to develop our permanent laboratory because we have already our equipment now. Yung location na lang
You have the
aayusin.
equipment, you have the space,
Yes.
ayusin na lang nyo.
Aayusin na lang yun.
Sige.
So that was roughly 22.5 million plus the training of our staff para doon sa preservation and conservation facilities. And then the development of our gallery, of course, even though the gallery is already there, we want to upgrade more, to add more, because nakita niyo naman doon, Madam Chair, marami pa siyang areas na kailangang paglagyan. Palitan natin yung mga salamin, ng mga bulletproof, yung mga ganun.
Bulletproof?
Okay, example lang. Pero mga ganun na upgrading.
3.54, is it acquisition of books or what?
No, Madam Chair, this is your suggestion that we, during the Ulmer launching, di ba sabi mo, damihan nyo at dalasan nyo ang inyong exhibition. Yung mga collection ninyo na hindi nyo nilalabas,
Nasa
yun,
archives.
nasa archives.
Correct.
naka-storage, yun ang dapat i-exhibit namin. So, ito na yung estimate namin nun for the whole year. Siguro, it will cover 5 to 7 exhibitions.
Okay na yan.
Thank you, Madam Chair, for approving our wish list.
Yes. That's it?
That's
You're
it.
serious?
Yes.
Okay. How many national national libraries do you have aside from your main lib?
Isa lang.
Isa lang kayo, no?
Yes.
Then the others are LGU libraries or private libraries.
And congressional libraries. There are 2 congressional libraries that under our supervision.
Which are these?
One in Balilian, Bohol, and the other one is in Tondo. Sentro ng Karunungan.
How is this? They created it by law.
Yes, Madam Chair.
So, karga sa budget nyo.
Yes, Madam
You
Chair.
have to put it in the NEP.
Yes.
It's in the NEP.
Yes, pero masyadong maliit. Nakakunan pa rin yung original budget ng National Library to survive that library.
Oh, bakit ganun? Bakit yung dalawang yun lang? Kung 300 congressional districts, bakit hindi 300?
Actually, Madam Chair, dun sa proposal namin sa charter ng National Library, we want to remove congressional library na dapat under LGU na talaga lahat, city, municipal, and provincial, para they will sustain. Because if you put congressional districts, lahat yung magiging under ng National Library, and we only have 130 personnel, hindi na namin kakayanin yun.
You manage the 2 congressional libraries?
Yes.
Kasi what will stop the other congressional districts from asking or passing into law the other congressional
Okay.
libraries?
Thank you, Madam Chair, for that question.
You should turn over the 2 congressional libraries to LGU.
Yes, I can do that, Madam Chair, if the congressman is not already sitting. Because doon pa lang sa level na mapapagalitan na ako. But
Baka magalit sa akin yung congressman kasi inanak nila,
Wala.
they want national legislation to be funded as long as they make it their amendment.
yes,
But if they're no longer congressman, paano yung continuity?
yes, especially politics within the Congress. Yeah, Madam Chair,
Sustainable.
there are a lot of bills now in the House para sa creation ng Congressional Library. Nakikinig naman sila. Pero kung yung ibang congressman, they push for a Congressional Library, ang aming request lang talaga, pondohan ninyo, lagyan nyo ng tao, and we're okay with that.